Hey GED students, it's GED question of the day time, and one of the basic math concepts listed on the GED math study guide that they test you on is operations with decimals, fractions, and whole numbers. I wouldn't be the least bit surprised if that problem, when it came up on your GED, was a multiplication of decimals problem. If it came up, it'd be on the non-calculator section, and the GED knows that students forget how to multiply decimals. So just a really quick review. I would remind you that in multiplication, every number multiplies with every other number when you multiply. So it is not necessary to line up the decimals at any particular place. So because I'm such a lazy woman, what I will do when I go to multiply decimals is I will multiply just the non-zero portion of the numbers. The only significant number in 0.005 is the 5. The zeros won't do anything when I multiply. So I'm just going to multiply 5 times 27. And don't worry, I'll deal with the decimal afterwards. So 10, 11, 12, 13. So obviously 27 times 5 is 135, but 27 times 0.05 would be something smaller, much smaller. How much smaller? Well, the important thing to understand is that decimal places accumulate as you multiply. So what we should do here is we should go count the total decimal places in the problem. Well, only one of these numbers has any decimal places. 27 is a whole number without a decimal. So I see just 1, 2 decimal places in this first number. So the total number of decimal places in the problem should be equal to the total number of decimal places in the answer. So let's start with this answer here and come from the back side and go 1, 2, and put in that decimal. So I end up with 2 decimal places. So 27 times 0.05 is just 1.35. 1.35. Decimal places accumulate. And that is the final answer there. Now watch out for the next couple of question of the day videos. We're going to let our multiplication with decimals get a little more complex. If you have any questions about this or any other GED math topic, be sure to drop it in the comments and I'll do my best to answer it.